All right, mate. Want to come around this way? So if you have a look now, I'm guessing it wasn't charging very well before, eh?
No, it wouldn't connect to my CarPlay either.
Okay,
Because
so
it wouldn't actually clip in.
plugs in straight away,
No, sweet.
both ways round,
Lovely.
charging straight away. Yeah.
Excellent.
Everything else is cleaned on there. I cleaned the earpiece, speakers, everything else, so it should sound a bit better, and when you're on calls you should hear a bit better, because it was quite full of dirt, to be fair.
Screen protector on it?
It doesn't. Do you want a screen protector? Could chuck one on.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Privacy ones, if you're interested.
Oh, yeah.
You want a privacy?
Yeah.
You can definitely do one of those. Should be a pretty cool upgrade, I think. Sure. So that is how the privacy works.
Oh, yeah, lovely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Sweet.
Alright. I'll just add that then. Altogether that is $94.99. If you want to tap over here, there's your receipt, mate.
Excellent.
Alright. Have a
Appreciate
good one.
your time, mate. Thank you.
Take care.